So today we're going to do some one-point perspective. So where it's used, it's in making cities look like they're three-dimensional, like a street going into the distance. It's used in room decoration. They use it a lot in cartoons to make things appear like they're in 3D space. And interior designers use it a lot to design how they're going to decorate the rooms that they're, decorating. They use it a lot in letter design to make it appear as if there's dimension into the letters. So we're gonna start one-point perspective, and we're gonna draw a line across the middle of your page. This is called the horizon. And we're going to draw one point right in the middle. This is your vanishing point. And the first thing we want to know is that this is like land and sky. And the vanishing point is where, if you were supposedly standing in front of you, your eyes are, this is where your eyes would be looking at. So this is your eye level. So we're gonna draw a square on top of the vanishing point, and we're gonna draw one below. And you can use a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, you can use a cereal box or any kind of straight edge. So over here, we're gonna draw on the opposite side another square. It could be a rectangle. On top of the vanishing point, we're going to draw another one. So you should have one on each four of the corners. And first thing you're going to do is find the points. So you're going to find all the corners right there. And all your corners are going to go towards the vanishing point. So with the ruler, you want to use a ruler or a straight edge to be precise. So if I were you, I would use a pencil. I'm just using a marker so you can see better. So I'm just outlining right there where I'm going to. So every corner is going to do that except the corner you can't see. Oops. How do you know? It'll go over your square. So you can't see that one. So again, I'm just going towards there. Gonna go faster. I'm not gonna mark it all the way because I'm using a marker. But if you can, mark all the way so that you know that you're in the correct spot. So don't forget your vanishing point, because if you're not using it, if you're just pretending that you're using it, it's not gonna look right. So mark the corner to the vanishing point. I can't see this one, it'll overlap, so I'm not marking that one. And the same. So go ahead and use all the way to the vanishing point. If you're using a pencil, please mark it all the way, because again, it's going to be more accurate and look more real. And I'm not doing this one because it's right behind it and it'll overlap and it won't be real unless it's a see-through box. So that's it. And then for today, I would like you to also practice a diamond on each side. So this one's a little trickier because the corners are at different directions right there. So if you can practice those are going to be right at your eye level. So it's going to look a little bit different. So for today's assignment, you're going to only do this part right here. And I'm going to take a picture and leave it towards the end of this video so that you can pause it and you can make sure that you have this. On our next lesson, I'll be showing you how to cut off the top and bottom and the sides of the boxes to make them look shorter. So this is for the first lesson. Make sure that you understand what the horizon is, where the vanishing point is, where your corners are meeting always to the vanishing point. Okay, so So that's it for this lesson.